What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Alice and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So after all the recipe that I did for carnevale, now it's time to do some savory stuff. As you guys know, the savory things are my favorite. I'm not a sweet person. I'm pretty sweet, but I don't have a sweet tooth. I don't have a sweet tooth. I love savory stuff. I love pasta, I love pizza, I love focaccia, I love all those things. So I was looking at my channel and I noticed that I only have one focaccia on my channel. So I decided to share with you the best focaccia you ever had. This is my dad's recipe. He's the best baker I ever met in my entire life. His focaccia is so easy, so fast, and so dump proof. And also you don't need any fancy equipment because you're only gonna need a plastic bowl and a wooden spoon and you're gonna throw everything together. So this is one of my favorite things. I love focaccia. I used to eat focaccia when I was in elementary school. I used to take it to school for break, for a snack. That's my thing. All my friends, for every person that I made this focaccia bread, they fell in love. They say it is the best bread they ever had. So enough rambling, I'm gonna show you what the ingredients that you're gonna need that you probably already have in your pantry. So what you're gonna need is all-purpose flour, sugar, dry yeast, salt, and warm water that I warm it up in the microwave just for 30 seconds, and a little bit of oil to grease the pan where you're gonna cook your focaccia and just to drizzle a little bit on top. Make sure it's a good oil. I usually use olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. So let's put all the ingredients together. So what you wanna do first is you're gonna pour your flour into your bowl. Then you're gonna add sugar. You're gonna add your dry yeast, and you're gonna mix all the three ingredients together with your wooden spoon, because the reason why I do this, I don't want my salt to touch the dry yeast, so it's gonna kill it. So you mix those three ingredients first all together, and then you add your salt and mix it all as well. Again, all my recipe, all the measurement for the focaccia are gonna be listed in the description box down below, as well as my Instagram page, Facebook page, and TikTok. So don't forget to check it out. And then you're gonna pour the water all at once, like so. You're gonna mix it all together. I know it looks like it's a lot of water, but let me tell you, this is the reason why the focaccia is gonna stay so nice and soft on the inside, and also it's gonna have a nice, lovely crust on the outside. So I'm gonna mix all this together. You don't have to be extra precise. Just make sure that all the ingredients are mixed well together. And after that, I'm gonna grab my spatula. I'm gonna scrape whatever I have left on my spoon. Don't try to do this with your hands because it's gonna be a mess, because it's way too sticky and you're not gonna be able to do that. So I'm just gonna scrape the surface of my bowl, and I'm gonna try to put all the ingredients together in one bowl. Like so. And after that, this is the result that you're gonna have. As you can see, it's a very sticky type of dough. And what you want to do now, so if you want to eat this for dinner, you have to make it in the morning or the night before. What I usually do, I just mix it all together before I go to bed. I put a lid on top or plastic wrap, and I leave it in the fridge for overnight or about 12 hours. After that, we're gonna be back to show you the rest of the step for this beautiful focaccia. All right, you guys, for obvious reason, I have my dough already made. I made it last night because I knew I was gonna film this video. So this is what it looks like. It's very jiggly and jello-like. Now is the most important part. We gotta make the folds. And what I mean for folds, I'm gonna use my spatula and I'm just gonna pull the dough towards the center of the bowl, and I'm just gonna fold the dough so it can incorporate air and makes the dough super, super fluffy. So I'm gonna scoot you a little closer so you can see in details what I mean with folding. So what you wanna do with your spatula, you're gonna go like this and pull the dough towards the center, and then you're gonna rotate the bowl and do the same thing all around. Then you're gonna close it and you're gonna let it rise for another 30 minutes, and you're gonna repeat those steps 4 times total. And then after that, we're gonna be back to show you how I cook my beautiful focaccia. So after folding the dough for 4 times every half hour, so it's gonna take you around like 2 hours, this is the result. As you can see, there's a lot of big bubbles. It's very like jello-like, super soft. What you wanna do now, you're gonna grab your tray and you're gonna put a little bit of oil on the bottom of your tray, and you're gonna transfer your dough into the tray, like so. Maybe like get your fingers in the oil a little bit, like this. And then you're gonna like put a little bit more oil on the surface as well. And you're just gonna work your dough into the tray. Like so, like this, and you're gonna let it rise for another half hour, and you're gonna cover it with a towel, a clean towel. You're gonna let it rise on your counter for half hour, and after that you're gonna preheat your oven at 450 Fahrenheit, and you're gonna bake it for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, and then we're gonna be back for the best part, the taste test. You guys, this is the result. Look how beautiful my focaccia turned out. It's so nice. It's very light, and look at the bottom, how beautiful and fluffy it is. And I don't know, maybe you can see it through the camera. I'm gonna try to like, I want you to hear the crunch of this focaccia. Here. There's a little bit of ASMR for you guys. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna cut it open and I'm gonna show you the inside because it's so beautiful. And pretty sure you can hear the crunch here too. It's so satisfying. And ta-da! Look how beautiful is my focaccia. It's so light and bubbly, and it smells so good. Like the smell of fresh bread there's nothing beats that. It's so delicious. I'm gonna cut a little piece for myself because we gotta try it. I always like the middle part. Look how beautiful. It's still like a little bit hot, which is the best. Super light, and look when I squeeze it, it comes right up. That's mean it cooked very well and the yeast did a proper job. Now enough rambling, and cheers to you guys. This, by far, the best focaccia I ever had in my entire life. This is so good. It has the crunch, has the soft on the inside. Oh, so amazing. Another bite. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy spending time with me. If you're gonna recreate this recipe, please make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna be leaving it in the description box down below. And let me tell you, if you're gonna make this, everybody's gonna fall in love with you. And until next time, I'll see you soon, my beautiful people. Love you. Bye.